everyone, I will do the unboxing of my smartphone, that is OnePlus Nord from Amazon, and you can see the packing is typical Amazon style, so won't wait long, we'll do the unboxing. Taking the mask, the box out, so keep this aside. This is the retail box. Okay. Along with the carton. It's quite good packing from Amazon. Now, so this is some like the invoice for the smartphone, and it's the OnePlus Nord device box that you can expect from the delivery from the Amazon, from OnePlus. So we'll keep this aside and let's do the unboxing of this OnePlus Nord. Let's check out how it's gonna be. So it says open from here, right? So we'll open from here. We get the cover. So basically this is the phone. So it's the best part. Phone that we get, right? So this is the main phone that you will get, right? So keeping this aside, and what's in the box itself is nothing, just a case. That's not the phone case, that's just a case. Some paperwork, welcome letter from Amazon, from OnePlus. Here's a dear friend, like this. More paperwork, like there's some more stickers and the simulator tool. So these are the documentations, safety information, quick start guide, the red cable club, all these stuff. So we'll keep this aside. And here's the protective case for the OnePlus device from the box itself. And this is the cable, USB cable from A to C. You can see A to C. You can see, and here is that. Here is the Warp Charge 30T, which was expected to be with the phone itself. So all these things are in the box. So I will keep this in the box itself. Let's switch on to the phone itself. We'll boot it up and show you the interface, how it's gonna be from the inside. Okay, so keeping it aside, and now, so this is the phone. Okay, so here it says that it's shown an arrow. Peel it off. This. So this is the main phone that we get. This is the actual phone. You can see the sticker, some values written over here, and the quad camera setup, the OnePlus branding, the logo, and the shiny OnePlus Nord. So the glossy back at the back. So let's boot it up and see if it works right. So by the time it is booting, I will tell you some specifications. Like it comes with a 6.44 AMOLED screen and a glassy black Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and the back itself. The alert slider, the power unlock button, and the volume rocker on the left side. So it's now booted up. So let's start it. And there are stuffs. There's no headphone jack in the phone. You can see the simulator tool, the SIM slot, USB-C port, the speaker grill, and the secondary microphone over there. And the quad camera setup, as you all know, that it is a 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel and 2 and 2 for macro and depth. So this is the phone. welcome.